Welcome to the Cove at Hamlin. This master planned community was built by Taylor Morrison and features 200 single-family homes, some of which have waterfront lots with direct boat access into Lake Hancock. Amenities include a clubhouse, fitness center, swimming pool, splash pad, playground, waterfront walking trails, and much more. Just 20 to 30 minutes from downtown Orlando and minutes from Disney and Universal. This community is a hit because it's walking and biking distance from schools and local shopping and restaurants. Let's go take a tour.